Greetings everyone! Welcome to Best Product. If you are setting up a new network or troubleshooting connection issues, having the right diagnostic tools is essential. Today we are counting down the top 5 best network cable tester to help you get the job done right. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ampcom Network Cable Tester. Ampcom Network Cable Tester takes the guesswork out of complex network installations by combining advanced cable tracing and power over Ethernet detection into one highly reliable tool. Designed for IT professionals and network installers, this device makes diagnosing issues much easier. One of the most important features is its support for power over Ethernet detection, which ensures you can accurately test active cables without damaging equipment. When working in a messy server room or a complicated office setup, finding the right cable can be a frustrating task. The Ampcom Network Cable Tester solves this problem with its built-in LAN cable tracer and port flashing functions. These excellent tools allow you to quickly locate and identify active network cables, saving you valuable time on the job. Safety is a major focus with this testing device. It is equipped with an impressive 100 volts burn-proof protection, meaning you stay perfectly safe even when testing live circuits. In addition to this strong protection, the non-contact voltage feature adds an extra layer of security, letting you detect electrical presence before you even touch the wires. For those who make their custom length cables, the crimping check function is incredibly useful. It thoroughly verifies the integrity of your terminated Ethernet cables step by step. This helps technicians confirm proper connections right away, avoiding annoying signal loss issues after the installation is completely finished. Depending on the model you choose, such as the AM828N or AM828N Pro, you get the added convenience of a rechargeable lithium battery. This smart addition provides long-lasting performance, meaning you do not have to worry about buying or carrying spare disposable batteries during a long day of networking tasks. Despite packing all these professional tools, the Ampcom Network Cable Tester remains highly portable. Measuring just 25 by 20 by 7 centimeters and weighing only 0.540 kilograms, it is incredibly compact and lightweight. It easily fits right into your tool bag, making the perfect daily companion for field technicians who need dependable testing power on the go. Next, at number 4, is the Fnirsi Network Cable Tester. The Fnirsi Network Cable Tester, specifically the LPM10A model, is a highly capable tool for anyone working with professional internet installations or home networks. This device takes the frustrating guesswork out of daily cable management. A true standout feature of the Fnirsi Network Cable Tester is its beautiful 2.4-inch color screen. This display provides clear and real-time diagnostics while you work. Instead of dealing with confusing blinking lights, you get accurate results right on the screen, whether you are testing RJ45 or RJ11 lines. Beyond just checking basic connections, this device serves as a comprehensive network diagnostics tool. It includes flash port testing, which is a lifesaver when you need to locate a specific active port on a crowded network switch. It also features convenient wire tracing capabilities, allowing you to quickly find the exact cable you need inside a messy bundle of identical wires. The Fnirsi Network Cable Tester supports PoE checking to ensure your lines deliver proper power, along with built-in speed testing to guarantee your network is running as fast as it should. Working in dark server rooms or cramped closets is never easy, but this tool includes an adjustable backlight brightness feature to assist you. You can easily turn up the screen brightness to ensure clear visibility in low-light environments, making your field inspections much less frustrating. To keep you working without interruptions, this handy device is powered by a reliable 1500 mAh battery. When the power runs low, you can quickly top it up using the convenient USB-C charging port. This modern connection provides fast rechargeability, so your network testing never has to stop for long. Despite having these advanced features packed inside, the Fnirsi Network Cable Tester maintains a compact and lightweight design. Measuring 152 by 68 by 31 millimeters and weighing only 0.623 kilograms, it is highly portable. You can effortlessly slip it into your tool bag, making it the perfect companion for on-site troubleshooting. Finally, it supports multiple languages, and the battery is included inside the box, allowing you to power it on and start testing immediately upon unboxing. Coming in at number 3, we have the Uni-T Network Cable Tester. The Uni-T Network Cable Tester, known as the Uni-T UT685A kit, is a professional solution designed to identify and diagnose network and telephone line issues. Whether dealing with computer networks or traditional telephone systems, this device fully supports both RJ45 and RJ11 connectors. It comes as a complete kit that gives you everything you need for efficient troubleshooting. Instead of guessing where a connection problem might be, this tester allows you to locate breaks in your cables, detect electrical shorts, and verify wiring continuity with total ease. This makes it an incredibly helpful tool for IT professionals and technicians. When working in a complex cabling environment with dozens of cords, finding the exact one you need can feel impossible. Thankfully, the Uni-T Network Cable Tester is equipped with advanced detection technology designed for precise wire tracking. It accurately tracks wires and easily identifies active lines within a messy bundle. This brilliant feature simplifies your network setup and routine maintenance, saving you hours of frustrating manual work. Despite offering these advanced diagnostic capabilities, this toolkit features a remarkably compact and portable design. The entire package measures just 25 by 15 by 10 centimeters and weighs a very manageable 0.830 kilograms. This lightweight form factor means it is extremely easy to carry around and store securely in your tool bag. It ensures convenient transport for your daily on-site inspections and regular maintenance tasks without weighing you down. Safety and dependability are major priorities when working with electrical equipment. Because of this, the Uni-T Network Cable Tester is fully CE certified. This certification means it meets international safety standards, ensuring highly reliable performance and safe operation across different electrical environments. Manufactured in mainland China, the Uni-T UT685A kit combines this trusted build quality with amazing affordability. It consistently delivers dependable results, making it a wonderful addition to your toolkit whether you are working on residential home setups or handling commercial applications. Our runner-up at number 2 is the Noyafa Network Cable Tester. The Noyafa Network Cable Tester, specifically the NF8209S model, is an advanced multifunctional tool designed to give you accurate diagnostics for both PoE and RJ45 cables. When you are setting up a network or fixing a connection issue, having the right diagnostic equipment is absolutely crucial. This device ensures your network performs reliably, saving you precious time and effort by pinpointing the exact location of cable faults. One standout feature of this Noyafa tester is the integrated lighting and NCV detection system. This function allows the tool to easily detect live wires in your workspace. When it senses a live electrical current, it provides immediate visual alerts to keep you informed. This built-in safety measure is incredibly important during network cable inspections, helping you avoid dangerous shocks while working in dark or tight areas. The physical design of the NF8209S is wonderfully compact and highly portable. It measures exactly 16 by 4 by 3 centimeters and weighs only 0.550 kilograms. This lightweight form factor means it is extremely easy to slip into a tool bag or carry around a busy job site. You will never feel weighed down, which is perfect for IT professionals and on-site network technicians who are constantly on the move. To make your daily workflow even smoother, this tester comes equipped with a dependable built-in battery. You will not have to worry about hunting down an outlet or bringing bulky external power sources to get your job done. This internal battery ensures uninterrupted operation, giving you highly reliable performance in any environment. Whether you are up in a ceiling space or down in a basement server room, it is always ready to work. Safety and quality are fully guaranteed because this tool is CE certified. Meeting strict European safety and performance standards means you can trust its durability for professional network testing. You also get universal compatibility right out of the box with dedicated RJ45 and port flash interfaces. These versatile connections enable seamless testing across various network devices, ensuring you can tackle any project with total confidence. And finally, our top pick for the Tooltop Network Cable Tester. The Tooltop Network Cable Tester is an incredible 4-in-1 device that combines a network cable tester, a multimeter, an optical power meter, and a 10 watts visual fault locator into one package. When working on large installations, this tool measures the length of Ethernet cables, telephone lines, and coaxial video cables up to 600 meters. To keep connections flawless, it features a powerful cable analysis function. This allows you to quickly detect open circuits, short circuits, and crossover issues, while also performing crystal head crimping tests. Beyond testing network wires, it serves as a professional-grade multifunction multimeter. The bright screen displays up to 60,000 digits, ensuring you get precise electrical readings while troubleshooting. If you work with fiber optics, you will love the built-in optical power meter. It reads signal strengths ranging from 6 decibels to -70 decibels and is compatible with standard ST, South Carolina, and FC interfaces. To make finding damaged fibers easy, the device has a red laser emission function. This laser allows for fast visual positioning of breakpoints and transmits over a distance of up to 10 kilometers. When dealing with messy wiring setups, the advanced line scan function is a lifesaver. This mode is noise-free and features anti-interference technology, helping you quickly find your target line among complex wire bundles. It fully supports RJ45 cables, BNC connectors, and telephone lines. Another brilliant element of the Tooltop Network Cable Tester is its innovative engineering accounting function. This feature retains up to 100 length records in its memory and calculates your network costs automatically, making project management easier. To suit global users, the display supports languages including English, Spanish, German, and Chinese. Finally, both the host device and the separate line finder are powered by high-quality rechargeable lithium batteries. This completely removes the everyday hassle of buying disposable batteries, making the entire system much more environmentally friendly and efficient for your daily tasks. That concludes our list of the most reliable diagnostic tools for your network setups. If you found the ideal tester for your toolkit, be sure to check the price link in the description for the best deals. Please like and subscribe to Best Product for more professional tech reviews. See you next time.